back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to make for you a strawberry atole. It's perfect on the go, perfect for those rainy days when we need to go and take the kids to school. Well, I can't wait to show you the ingredients, but first things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Half a cup of just water, evaporated milk, condensed milk, strawberry extract, regular milk, and of course, our strawberry atole mixture. This atole comes out very delicious and very creamy. So let's get started. I am going to start by adding my strawberry atole mixture to my water. Okay, and we're gonna mix it completely. Make sure that there is no lumps or any little pieces floating. We need to mix it completely in order for this strawberry atole comes out delicious. Okay, once you have combined the strawberry atole mixture to the water, is nice and incorporated. Now this is time to go to start making our atole. So I'll see you over there, my friends. Okay, I turned my stove on. I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add my evaporated milk. And I am going to add my condensed milk. And we're just gonna mix it completely so it incorporates completely with the milks that we added. Okay. This strawberry atole comes out very delicious, very creamy. Once you do it once, I know that you're gonna continue doing this atole for your family, and I know your kids are gonna really love it. At this point, we're just gonna keep moving, stirring until this is nice and hot, nice and warm before we add our atole mixture. We need to be moving it, incorporating it so it doesn't start sticking to the bottom. That's the part that we do not want. So we gotta be stirring it until this starts bubbling. So I'll see you back, my friends. I know that this takes time, but this atole comes out delicious. Once your milk is nice and hot and it's ready to start bubbling, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract. Only 1, because this is very concentrated. And we're gonna incorporate it. Look how red this looks. Okay, now it's time to incorporate our strawberry mixture, atole mixture. And we're gonna be pouring it slowly to incorporate it so it doesn't get any lumps. It doesn't create any lumps. My friends, this takes time, but believe me, this comes out very delicious and very creamy. Just make sure that you keep moving it so it doesn't start sticking to the bottom. This is a very important step. To this mixture, I just add 1 condensed milk, but if you like it a little more sweetened, you could just add maybe half a cup of granulated sugar, because sugar is to taste. And for my family, this is a perfect, the perfect way I do it all the time. Only 1 can of condensed milk. I added about 4 cups of regular milk, 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk. And this is just fine for 6 to 8 cups of atole. Okay, I'm gonna continue mixing and I'll show you when this starts bubbling. I wanna show you from close up so you see how pink this is. Just make sure that you continue mixing so it doesn't start sticking to the bottom, because at this moment, the atole is already getting thick. Look what a beautiful color. Let me show you. Look how beautiful color. And it's already, as you could see, it's already getting thick. This is so thick and creamy, my friends. Remember, sugar is to taste. Look how beautiful this atole looks. It takes time to do this atole, but believe me, it's a very delicious atole. And once you do it, you're gonna love it. Your family is really going to enjoy it. Okay, I'll continue and I'll show you when this is almost done. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, my friend. It takes time, but believe me, this comes out delicious. Okay, my friend, this is completely done. Look how thick it looks. It's nice and thick. I can't wait to taste it. Okay, I'll see you back in just a little bit when I'm ready to taste this delicious strawberry atole. My strawberry atole. This came out so good and so delicious, especially when you are on the run and it is raining. This is a perfect atole to take. Okay, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I have combined my strawberry atole with a tamal, a chicken tamal that you already have on my channel. So Let me taste it and let me see how this came out, okay? I hope I don't get burned. Let's see. It tastes so sweet, so thick and creamy. This is just really good. This atole is perfect on the go. Let me taste my tamal. I hope, my friends, you can make the tamal at home. Let's see how this comes out. Look how delicious this looks. Excuse me. This atole and that tamal came out perfect. My friends, if you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. I know that once you make it at home, you're going to continue making this strawberry atole for your family. The kids will love it and your family will enjoy it. Okay, my friends, before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay, of course, enjoying my strawberry atole. Bye-bye.